polishing, you should apply SCHOLL Concept Marine Neopolymer Protection to lock in the shine it produces. Unique and extremely durable polymer gloss protection for almost all exterior boat surfaces as Gelcoat, boat paint, clear coat, metal, teak and plastic. Neopolymer protection should be applied on clean polished surfaces manually with Spider Pack M22605 or by machine with Spider Pad LM20337, and after 10 minutes would provide impregnation and film coat as surface protection for a few months. While an optional step, the polishing oils help prevent and slow down oxidation by feeding the gel coat and thus penetrating into the filling pores and other microscopic imperfections, so water cannot fill these areas and thus cause oxidation.